An alignment between your career, how you live your life, and your core values produces satisfaction and a sense of happiness and fulfillment and a considerable amount of confidence in the fact that life seems to flow. You are in the right place doing the right thing. That sense of security in knowledge that you're living your why guarantees an unbridled sense of self-confidence, one of the factors that I work on with my clients right from the start. A step to align your values with your why is to be focused. Flow follows focus. In flow, you are in an optimum state of consciousness. And secondly, be productive. Are you productive or just busy? Being busy has become a sign of prestige. Have you recently asked someone, how are you, only to have them reply that they are busy? Busyness triggers stress. Productiveness prompts results. To be clear about what you want, be focused, be productive.